You know, it's not the end of the world that the human will have disappeared. It will be the end of our world. My name is Sabrina Ratté. I'm showing Inflorescence, an installation as part of Refresh 5. The project is about electronic devices that we throw away, so e-waste. I imagine those wastes in a future where there are no more humans, but we see kind of life emerging from these electronic waste. So these life forms could be like fungus or strange plants or unidentified creatures. So I think with this piece, I kind of want to translate a sensitive approach to technology, to evolution, to life itself. I see it more as almost like a fairy tale or a science fiction kind of tale, but it's not the end of the world that the human will have disappeared. It will be the end of our world.